SafetyWing. And we have just had a special delivery. Yes, in the forest. Now this got rerouted. It's been around the houses. It's been to Wat Chom Tong. I did tell them I was moving. There was a delay in their sending, however they then sent. I moved, it's got rerouted and it's arrived at the meditation pod. Deep, deep, deep within Pai Forest. So, we shall open. Today is Thursday the Yisib of February. 7 minutes past ha. We have our Saturday market, Pai Saturday market knife for opening. Package. Let's see, what do you think it is? What is it? Tommy, do you know? Tommy? Oh, Tommy, little chap. What's in the box, Tommy? What's in the box? Sorry, Tommy. Oops. Don't mean to knock you off. Or knock my stuff off, sorry. Little chat, what's in the box? Hmm? Right, have a look. Sorry. I'll leave you there. Right. Okay. Something special yet again. Special, look at this. What do you see? Have Jade and Orange, Rick and Morty's. Now, these are very bright. They feel and smell extremely nice. Look at the artwork on these. All the way around. Adult Swim. So look at me. Look at me. And they are UK. I'll let you guess. Rick and Morty. They smell extremely nice, extremely fresh. here we have Rick and his heads. Ah, interesting. You just see in here. Okay. I thought you see the inside all green. Finishing touch would have been a blue lace to put on here. Blue lace and then orange, because otherwise you've got an awful lot of so this is a jade and orange. Yes, an awful lot of orange going on here. Put these here. These are amazing. Discovered. Oh, discovered. Discovered. Ah, yes. Oh, there's an alien. Oh no, there's a face. If you put the bases on slightly different. And there's a world. We have Rick. Puma symbol. I will, at some point, I will look out for a blue lace. A blue lace. Let me show you the originals. Now these are well worn. These are the originals. Puma LaMelo, Rick and Morty's. The original. And the new. They are well worn. So yes, these have just arrived. Oh yes, here we have a cube and then a face as well. We could put these laces through and you'd see the actual mouth, the eyes. All those heads on there. They do look good, the colours. Orange and blue. Sort of jade and orange. Mellow, you can see down here as well, mellow. Backs. Okay, Khopkhunkhap, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. And if you have been watching, then please subscribe. Yes, I believe it is that. And a like is very much appreciated. And if you share, it will help the channel to grow. Khopkhunkhap. I will see you all very soon.